Hi everyone, this is Esther from Ringpack. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce the benefits and usage of Mylar bags. Mylar bags are flexible, metallic-looking pouches designed for food storage. They are made from PET plastic with a thin aluminum coating. This combination creates a strong lightweight barrier that protects contents from external elements. They come in various sizes, from small pouches to large buckets. You can use them to store dry goods like grains, beans, and dehydrated foods. This bag is useful for a wide range of applications, from preserving dry goods and food supplies to safeguarding important documents. We also provide customized packaging bag service, including materials, size, and printing pattern customization, etc. Support OEM and ODM. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.